Good morning, class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is directing. And today's topic are what are the concept of directing, what are the importance of directing. At the same time, we will learn what is supervision. What is directing? So, as per the renowned author Kunz and Doniel, directing is telling people what to do and seeing that they do it to the best of their ability. Here are the list of features or characteristics of directing. Directing is required at all level of organization. Every manager provides guidance and inspiration to his subordinates. Directing function is related to subordinates and therefore it is related to human factor. Yes, directing is related to human factor because the human factor is unpredictable, their behavior is complex, so direction function become important. Afterwards, creative activity. Direction function help in converting plan into performance. Without this function, people become inactive and physical resources and meaningless. It always allow to top-down approaches, and lastly, it provides linkage between the other managerial functions such as planning, organizing. Now we will discuss why directing is important function. Means directing is said to be the heart of management or process, the central point around which accomplishment of goal take place. A few philosophers call direction as life spark on an enterprise. So the important points are it initiative action. So the employees in the organization start working only when they get instruction and direction from their supporters, means superiors, the senior one. In the directing function, the superiors direct the action of employees toward the predetermined goals of the organizations. When their seniors advise them to do this work or complete this work within the given limited time. If the directing function is executed successfully, then it results in unity of direction and achievement of organization goals. Now the next one is it integrate efforts. So direction, the superior are able to guide, inspire and instruct the subordinates to worker. Means the senior staff is ordinated to or guided to the subordinates worker for the specific job. For this effort of work individual towards accomplishment of organizational goal are required. It is through direction the effort of every department can be related and integrated with others. This can be done through persuasive leadership and effective communication. Integration of effort bring the effectiveness of stability in concern. So these are the importance of directing function, and simply we can say directing is most important in any organization because until and unless the worker didn't get the direction from their senior, they haven't do anything. There are four basic elements of directing, that is communication, supervision, motivation and leadership. Communication means what? It is important to communicate between the worker and the managerial department. Now the supervision. It is important to advise or guide the worker from the higher level staff for the specific job. And motivation. Motivation is more important for any staff or worker to achieve any goals. And the leadership. Proper leadership leads to the proper and the higher level of the organization. Now after the elements of directing, we come to the supervision. The term supervision is made up of two words. that is super and vision. Super means a verb and the vision means art of seeing object. So supervision refers to the process of guiding the effort of employees and other resources to accomplish the desired objective. Now the function of supervision. Here are the 6 important functions listed, that is scheduling the work, which means the supervisor basic rule is to plan the daily work schedule to the worker by guiding them the nature of their work. Now the secondly, issuing order and instruction means the supervisor give the instruction to the worker and the labor means they what they have to do on a particular day. Now the thirdly, providing proper working condition. A supervisor play an important role in the physical setting of the factory and in arranging the physical resources at the right places. Means it is important for the proper working condition, means the fan is working or not, means all the things which you have which the supervisor have to look out into this. The fourthly, leadership and guidance. A supervisor is the leader of workers working under him. He leads the worker and influences them to work their best. He also guides the worker by fixing production target and by providing them instruction and guidelines to achieve those targets. Now the fifth one, motivational workers, motivating workers. So if the company wants more effort from the workers, they need to motivate their worker by giving some special treatment like extra pay, anything like this. Now lastly, controlling. The controlling is an important function performed by supervisor, like recording the actual performance against the time schedule, checking the progress of work, finding out deviation if any and make solution. And the fourth one, if not independently solved, reporting is to be top management.